In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Code with Agent Router. When you sign up for Agent Router, you can get $175 in free API credits added to your balance. You can use these credits to access Claude models without buying additional credits or setting up a payment method. So let's see how to set everything up. First, you need to install Claude Code on your PC. Open a new browser tab, search for Claude Code, and open the first official website. This is the Claude Code interface. From here, you can download Claude Code for your operating system. If you're using Windows, click Download for Windows. If you're using macOS, choose Download for macOS. Once the download is complete, install Claude Code on your computer. I've already installed it, so let me open it. Click Get Started, and then sign into your Claude account. You can click Continue with Google to sign in. Let me log into my account. And now you can see the Claude interface. I'm currently using the free Claude plan. I haven't upgraded to a paid plan. Next, we need to set up Agent Router. Go to agentrouter.org. Agent Router is a unified LLM API gateway that lets you access different models through a single API endpoint. It focuses on better pricing and stability, and you don't need a subscription. The main idea is simple. You just replace the model's base URL with the gateway URL provided by Agent Router. From here, you need to create an account. You can continue with GitHub or sign up using your email and username. I'll continue with GitHub. Once you sign in, you'll see your Agent Router console dashboard. And as you can see, the $175 API balance has already been added to my account. You can use this balance for free. Now, from the dashboard, go to the API token section. Here, you need to create a new API token. Click Create Token. Give your token a name. For example, I'll name it Test-API. Now, scroll down a little bit and enable unlimited quota. You don't need to change anything else. Just click Submit. Now you'll see your API token. Copy the token and keep it somewhere safe and secure. Never share your API token with anyone. Now, let's go back to Claude. From the Home tab, switch to Code. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Help. Then go to Troubleshooting and select Enable Developer Mode. You'll see a confirmation pop-up. Click Enable. Now you'll see a new Developer menu at the top. Click Developer, and from the drop-down menu, select Configure Third-Party Inference Service. This will open the third-party inference configuration interface. Here, we can connect Claude Code to a third-party API gateway, such as Agent Router. For credential source, select Static API Key. Next, we need to enter the gateway base URL. To get this URL, go back to Agent Router. From the dashboard, you'll see the base URL. https://agentrouter.org. Click the link to copy it. Now go back to Claude and paste the base URL into the gateway base URL field. Next, we need the gateway API key. Go back to Agent Router, open the API token section, copy the API token we created earlier, and paste it into the API key field in Claude. The final setting is the gateway auth scheme. Open the dropdown and select Bearer. Now scroll down a little bit and click Test Model Discovery. Claude will now try to connect to Agent Router and discover the available models. And as you can see, it is turned green and is active. It has successfully found two models, Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5. That means we can now use these Claude models directly inside Claude Code through the Agent Router API. Click Apply Changes. Claude will ask you to save and restart. You need to relaunch Claude before you can use these models. Let me click it. And as you can see, Claude is restarting now. Once Claude has restarted, you're ready to go. You can now use Claude models through Agent Router. Let me test it to make sure everything is working. Here, you can select the model you want to use. As you can see, Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5 are now available. I'll keep the default Claude Opus 4.8 model.
Now, let's start chatting with Claude. I'll simply type, "Hi," and look at that. Claude replies, "Hi, Mamun, how can I help you today?" So everything is working perfectly. Now, let's switch over to Claude Code. Here, I'll use this simple prompt, create an HTML table, and let's send it. As you can see, Claude Code is working and creating an HTML table for me. Once it finishes, you can see the preview right here. So that's it. By following these steps, you can use Claude Code with Claude models through Agent Router and take advantage of the free API credits provided by Agent Router. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.